The X-Pro 125cc Go Kart Red uses a 123.7 cubic centimeter Zongshen engine mounted low under the seat, which helps it feel planted and stable even when you push it hard on rough ground. Its 3-speed semi-automatic transmission with reverse makes it easy for newer drivers to get moving smoothly while still giving enough control for more experienced riders to enjoy shifting. Large 18-inch aluminum wheels not only sharpen the look of the kart, but also improve durability and handling compared with typical steel rims, especially over bumps and ruts. A generous maximum weight capacity of about 350 pounds means an adult and a child can ride together comfortably, turning it into a fun family machine rather than a single-rider toy. The chassis layout, roll cage, and seating position give good visibility and a reassuring sense of protection, which is important when you are letting teens or beginners take the wheel. Although some assembly is required, most owners with basic tools can complete the setup, and the result is a sturdy go-kart that feels solid and ready for regular weekend use.